So here we are understanding the wave, which is optimization technique, grouping together outbound delivery to send the goods to the customer through the routes. Okay, our customer can locate it in one country, different states, different customer located in different states. In one country, one city, multiple customer could have. In one country, different states, different cities, different customer could have. It depends. So here I explain. Our warehouse located here, which is the source country. Suppose this is our country from we send the goods to our customers, and here we have the source country, and here we have our warehouse, and we have the outbound deliveries. This is the outbound deliveries. Here we can see grouping of the customers. This is the wave. This is we call grouping of. So grouping of outbound deliveries. Deliveries means outbound delivery means grouping the customers. Okay, so here we have the customers. This is the route. So this is we call, this is the, I will consider wave type 1 or outbound delivery. Outbound deliveries, okay, or wave 1. Okay, so like similar, this is our source warehouse. We have the two customers, for an example, in a different cities, different states. We have the two customers. So when we send the deliveries to them, suppose we are using here goods train. Okay, this is the train, goods train. Okay, so we sending through the routes goods train. So the way of the outbound deliveries, this is the we call route 1. We using route 1. This is the flow, grouping together for all inside the one country, grouping the outbound delivery. We call this is the wave 1 or wave type 1. Okay, so like similar, we want to send some of the goods to the customers. Okay, and grouping together them. Okay, so we call this is the wave 1, or like because we use wave 1 here, I use wave type wave 1, wave type 2 here, wave 3 I will use here, wave type 3 here. So this is we call outbound, or we call outbound deliveries. Okay, or we call this is the okay, outbound deliveries, waves, grouping together the deliveries, we can call route. So here we can consider in this deliveries to this customer, route 1, we can take route 1. Here we can take route 2, route 3, route 4. So here suppose we send the goods via cargo planes. Okay, here we send the goods to the customer through the cargo planes. Okay, so cargo planes, this is the cargo planes. Here we send the goods to the customer through the another transportable unit. Okay, which is the goods train. These are the goods train. Here we send the, this is another, suppose city we send, or country, then we take the another, suppose through the water, we have the water, we send through the ships, container, it holds the container. Okay, depends where is your customer located. And suppose here we use the trucks. So the route, transportable unit, route would be determined by the customers. So route, transportable unit would be determined where is your customers are located, in which country, in which city, which location. Okay, so this is the flow of the optimization technique of the wave management. Okay, see, we are grouping because we know in the country B we have the different customers. We sending, so suppose for an example, one country we know we have the different customers. Optimization way, In one, suppose we need to send the goods to our customer through the water, through the sea. So in one big container, what I will do, we know we have in this country, we have the 50 customers. So what we will do, in the same container, we put all the goods for our customers. So the container, so here at the runtime, we use the ship as a transportable unit. The water is the way, nothing but a route. Customer is the destination customer. Our warehouse located in the source side, and we send the goods to the customers. See here, route is the sea, water. Container ship is the transportable unit, okay? And here, inside the transportable unit, we have the container on top of cargo ships, okay? If you see, inside that we have the different HU, different deliveries for each and every customers. Those are nothing but we have the outbound deliveries. And from our warehouse to send to the goods to the country, destination country, 50 customers, container, this entire process, this entire one process, we say as a wave. Wave 1 or wave 1, wave 2, wave the different countries we divide. And this, all the process with the countries, okay, wave 1 or route 1, route, wave works together. Those are all the friends, okay? Like in my, you can check in my video, one of the short video, warehouse process type determination indicator. It determines WPT, warehouse process type. Which process? Because in the system, a number of hundreds of processes triggers behind the system. Process means outbound delivery process, inbound delivery process, deconsolidation process, counting, physical inventory, lots of processes, labeling, packaging specification if you have packaging, along with the different kind of materials. How system pick only the exactly unique process type, process which we are triggering. Suppose, take a live example here. In this example, we have the outbound delivery. How system, in the system, when we perform this process, how system will come to know they need to pick only the outbound deliveries. They need to process the deliveries for outbound deliveries. Somewhere in the system we have the function modules, programs, okay? How system decide? And in the business system decide through the warehouse process type, which process should be triggered, and process type determination indicator, it determines, okay? So this is about the wave plus route plus flow. Very simple. Flow means wave. Wave means flow. Flow of outbound deliveries. Okay, routes, waves. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 routes. 1, 2, 3, 4 waves. Okay. Or in one country we have the 2 different states, route 1, route 2. So the wave could be combined. Inside the wave we have the deliveries, could be splitted. Wave is, that's why I say wave is very flexible. Wave is very flexible. We have the wave template, okay? Template means already one structure is there. We just enhance the properties, okay? So wave template, if you are going to implement the wave templates, if you want to implement, we must use the post processing framework, okay? So here I will take one picture and then I will rub this, then I will explain you. Okay, I will put it here, no problem. Little bit I will rub, not full. So from here I will explain you here. Wave means flow. Flow means wave. Means collection of something. What something? Outbound delivery. Wave plus routes plus transportable units plus customers plus goods, all are friends. Wave, flow, wave, collection of something. What? Outbound deliveries, routes, transportable unit, customer, goods. Means see the one logic here. Through wave we perform the outbound deliveries, we use the routes, we use the transportable unit to deliver the goods to the customers, and this entire process we call optimization of outbound deliveries. Okay guys, thank you very much. See you again. Okay, thank you very much. Simple. Source our warehouse located in, because our warehouse located in some country, some state, different countries, different customers located in different states, different cities. The way sending route, wave 1, wave 2, route 1, wave 3, route 3, outbound delivery 3. So wave 1, route 1, outbound delivery 1, wave 2, outbound delivery 2, and route 3. Wave 3, route 3, outbound delivery 3. Wave 4, outbound delivery 4, route 4. Here we are sending the goods to the aeroplanes, here we are sending through the goods, here we are sending through the ships, here we are using the trucks. These are the trucks, transportable unit. It comes the transportable units. So this is the optimization of the wave management in the extended wave management in the extended warehouse management. Thank you very much guys. See you again.